Hi, I'm Nick Anthony. We're here in San Antonio, Texas at Papuli's Greek Grill, and we are cooking orzo with skillet chicken, feta, and olives today. It's a really great recipe. I like it. We're going to put a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a skillet and heat it up. Trick with chicken is you do not want to heat it too fast because the chicken will cook too fast on the outside and it'll be raw on the inside. You don't want that. I've got 2 7-ounce chicken breasts, pounded them out so they're nice and even in thickness. And this is just regular flour, all-purpose flour. I'm not using an egg wash or anything today. I'm just doing a light dusting in flour, and that'll help it cook a little bit in the oil. Put the rest of that oil in there. All right, now I'm going to put our chicken season. I'm using just lemon pepper today and chopped rosemary. I've got about a tablespoon of each. I'm just going to let that cook in the oil. Those seasons to come together with the oil. And then I'm going to put my chicken breasts right there. Man, I can already smell that rosemary. Fantastic. And now we just cook them up. All right, we're about ready to turn these. And I'm going to flip them. Beautiful. And with chicken, you can tell when the edges start to turn more white and less opaque, then you're ready to flip. Internal temperature of chicken ought to be 165. That way you're not worried about any salmonella. I've got about a 1/4 cup of olives, black Kalamata olives. Can't talk today. And I'm just going to put those in with this skillet and let that meld with the juices. We're going to finish this up with fresh lemon. I'm going to squeeze just half a lemon on there. I want to see some lemon juice. The lemon flavor, just a hint of lemon, really gives it some good flavor. Get some of that juice up there on top of that chicken there. And we are ready. I want about 1.5 to 2 minutes on this side as well, because we cooked this other side pretty good. You can tell when the chicken is a little more firm that the chicken's ready. It's still a little mushy, it's not ready yet. But if you have a thermometer at home, stick the thermometer in there, 165, and you're set. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm going to finish this one up. I'll plate this with our wonderful orzo, and one thing I like about our orzo is we do a little lemon zest in it. That's our feta cheese garnish on top with a pinch of parsley. And this is how you make Greek skillet chicken with orzo and olives and feta cheese.